Like a Hellcat.
Hey everybody, this is teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. For today's activity, we are going to do some set of yoga poses which will help you to increase and improve your height. I hope you have enjoyed doing the last week activity, which is animal poses. If you have not done it, you can check that activity in this I button. So we are practicing yoga. As last week I have explained you what is yoga and how it helps you to improve your body. Today I am here with the second set of yoga poses. Follow along the instructions, and without further ado, let's get started. The triangle pose, also known as Trikonasana. Stand straight and keep your legs apart and stand in a comfortable position. Now raise your arms outward, breathe out and slowly bend your body and try to touch your left ankle with your left hand. Slowly come back to the position. Now try to touch your right ankle with your right hand and look towards the sky. Stay relaxed in this position. Now slowly come back, keep your hands down and feet together. The palm tree pose, also known as Tadasana. Stand straight and interlock your fingers together. Breathe in and slowly lift your arms above your head. Now raise your heels up from the floor and stand on your toes. Focus at one point to keep balance. Keep your heels back on the floor. Bring your hands down. Breathe in and breathe out normally and relax. The tree pose, also known as Vrikshasana. Stand straight, focus at one point. Now slowly bring your right leg and rest its sole on your left leg. Breathe in and raise your arms over your head and join your hands, palm touching each other in Namaskar pose. It increases balance and alertness of the brain. Be in this pose for 5 to 10 counts. Now lower your leg, bring your arms down and relax. Repeat the whole process with your left leg. Focus or gaze at one point to help you keep your balance. The mountain pose, also known as Parvatasana. Sit on the floor and bring your right leg closer to your pelvis. Now bring your left leg and keep it over your right thigh. Now lift your hands up over your head and palms touching each other. Be in this pose for 5 to 10 counts. Now slowly bring your arms down into a Namaskar pose. Breathe normally and relax. Please make sure do not force yourself to do this asanas, or position will come slowly. So that's all for today's activity. I hope you have enjoyed doing these yoga poses. See you in the next activity. Till then, stay active, be healthy, keep rocking, and see you when you see me back. Bye-bye.